you know that your favorite green tea can cause serious bleeding during your male breast reduction surgery? Hi, I am Dr. Anmol Chugh. I'm a cosmetic and plastic surgeon and head of plastic surgery center at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon, and today I am going to tell you some basic facts and do's and don'ts about male breast reduction surgery or gynecomastia surgery. Now, gynecomastia is a very prevalent problem. At least 1 in 10 males suffer from it. Gynecomastia is basically enlargement of breast in males. It is a very embarrassing situation for young males who are afraid to go outside, wear tight t-shirts, or maybe go for swimming or outdoor activities. A very simple surgery can get it relieved permanently. Now, some basic important facts that you need to consider before male breast reduction surgery. First, the don'ts. First, smoking. Smoking can increase the healing time and therefore can be detrimental. It is advisable that you stop smoking at least 10 days before the surgery and even after the surgery at least for 4 weeks. It is important that also the alcohol consumption is taken down at least 1 week before the surgery and is discontinued till 3 to 4 weeks, as it also decreases the healing. The third point, and this is the most important point, is the green tea. Now, green tea has some herbal supplements in it that increases the bleeding time. So it is important that you decrease the intake of green tea at least 7 days before the surgery, and you can resume it after 7 days of the surgery. Now, another factor is the herbal supplements. Herbal supplements can be in the form of your regular supplements that you are taking in daily life, like fish oil, vitamin E. They are known to increase the bleeding time and therefore can be detrimental. So in this case also it is advised that you stop it at least 5 days before the surgery, and after 2 weeks you resume all your supplements like vitamin A and fish oil once the recovery has taken off. Another point which is in don'ts is the blood thinners. Now, blood thinners, as you know, that they cause the increased bleeding, and therefore if you are on blood thinners, at least 3 days before the surgery the blood thinners are stopped, and after that you can take around 3 to 4 days in consultation with your surgeon. Now, some do's before the gynecomastia or male breast reduction surgery. It is important to take appropriate rest, as it will also help you in healing. Secondly, remain stress free. Consult twice, thrice, or maybe 4 times. If you have questions, consult your plastic surgeon. We'll be more than happy to discuss again and again your problem and what exactly we'll go about it and how exactly we'll go about it. So feel free to consult. Number 3, do thorough pre-operative checks. It is important you get thoroughly investigated, as there are no shortcuts in your surgery. Having said that, male breast reduction surgery is a very common surgery, but appropriate precautions are always taken in terms of surgery and also the anesthesia. Number 4, take medications as prescribed. There will be some medication that will be given before the surgery to calm you down, or other medication to control your other parameters. So it is important that you consult your plastic surgeon so that you take adequate amount of medications and at appropriate time. So now that you have understood that some do's and don'ts before male breast reduction surgery, it is important that you choose a right center and a right surgeon for your surgery. Now, gynecomastia surgery is an art, and you should always choose somebody who is well trained and has done many surgeries related to gynecomastia and body contouring surgery and has the latest technology. We at CK Birla Hospital has the latest technology in terms of micro air liposuction that helps us in taking out the fat and also contouring the skin so that you get the best results. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or any doubts, you can contact us at CK Birla Hospital. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching.